कलर्स चॅनला वेले बिग बॉस ह्या कार्यावळीचे प्रमोशनल ॲक्टिव्हिटी खातीर बॉलिवूडचो सलमान खान गोंयांत आयिल्लो. ह्या वेळार सलमाना बरोबर विजय सरदेसायचो फोटो व्हायरल जाल्लो. विजयान सलमान खानाचे बीइंग ह्युमन हे संस्थे कडल्यान आतां ताचे 11 नगरसेवकां खातीर ह्यो सायकली विकत्यो घेतल्यात.
बेसिकली एक अशें आहा की देर इज एन ग्लोबल मोबिलिटी समिट which is underway in New Delhi today. It is called MOVE. This exercise of councillors of the Goa Forward in Margao Municipal Council moving around in e-cycles, cycles which are Salman Khan's Being Human cycles, is basically a tribute to this Global Mobility Summit. Now, in this Global Mobility Summit MOVE, the thrust has been to that global mobility is going to be the thing of the future, and the global mobility which is in tune with the environmental needs of the time is what is going to be the focus. So here we are introducing a mobility which is going to be congestion free and which is a e-cycle. E-cycle means green energy, which means green cities. So this is our way of supplementing the works or whatever has been decided in this Global Mobility Summit called MOVE. And beyond this, I want the Goa Forward councillors to be forward and also on the move.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.